$2,000. That was the dream budget for a Barcelona life, but 2024 makes it a tightrope walk. A modest apartment outside the center? That's easily $800 a month, nearly half your budget gone before you even start. Groceries for one person can hit $400 monthly, a full quarter of the average local net income, which stands at just $1,800. Then there's public transport. A 40-trip Metro card adds another $50. Suddenly, that $2,000 is looking pretty thin. A single beer at a tourist spot can fetch $6. Coffee in a prime plaza? $3. These aren't luxuries. They're daily costs that chip away at your spending money. Even a simple lunch can run $20 per person. For some perspective, that same $2,000 budget would actually stretch further in Lisbon, according to 2024 data. Rent alone for a small studio outside the city center averages $700 to $900, leaving you with about half your target budget. So many are forced to make tough choices, sacrificing social outings or cultural experiences for cheaper home-cooked meals. A gym membership, a cool $50 a month, is just off the table. Honestly, it's a bit grim. Even with the most careful planning, 70% of Barcelona residents report feeling financial strain, particularly those striking out on their own, local surveys from 2023 revealed. This financial crunch really challenges the idealized image, showing Barcelona is far less affordable than many first-time visitors assume. What do those daily essentials cost where you live? Barcelona's rents are hitting four figures for a one-bedroom in Ciutat Vella, ranging from $900 to $1,300 USD, which devours up to 65% of a $2,000 monthly budget before you even think about groceries. That leaves a meager $700 to $1,100 for literally everything else. It's enough to baffle experts. In a sample, a district celebrated for its stunning modernista architecture. Rents climb even higher, between $1,000 and $1,500. Try fitting a bus into a compact car spot. Even in Sandro, a more affordable neighborhood, a one-bedroom still costs $700 to $1,000 before utilities. Add another $120 to $200 monthly for electricity, water, and internet. Suddenly, that $2,000 budget feels like a tightrope walk. Security deposits often demand 2 months' rent, meaning you could hand over $2,600 just for the keys. Then, agency fees can tack on another $1,200 to $1,800 up front. That's nearly your entire monthly income for rent alone, just to begin. It's pretty wild. Finding affordable housing often means embracing the piso compartido, a shared flat. A private room in one of these might only cost $400 to $700, which significantly eases the pressure. Your $2,000 budget now feels more manageable, less like a mythical quest. Even when sharing, utilities remain a factor. For 3 roommates, that's about $50 to $70 each per month for essentials. It's a calculated trade-off. So, can you actually live on $2,000 a month in Barcelona? Barely, if you're smart and willing to share. What does it cost to live in your city? A single person's monthly grocery bill in Barcelona can land anywhere around $400 monthly, according to Numbeo data from 2023. Now, while the vision of endless sangria and sunshine is appealing, keeping that dream alive means keeping a close watch on daily expenses. So, ditch the tourist traps for a moment. Local markets like La Boqueria offer great produce, sure, but supermarkets such as Mercadona and Lidl are where the real budget magic happens, especially for stocking up. Seriously, picture this. A whole week of fresh fruits, cheese, and cured meats for under $80 if you're savvy. This really shows how a varied, healthy diet is totally within reach, not some far-off luxury. Cooking at home isn't just a suggestion. It's absolutely key to making your euros go further. A menú del día, that 3-course lunch deal with a drink, usually costs between $12 and $18. Seems okay on its own, right? But if you did that every single day, your funds would disappear fast, leaving almost nothing for anything else. To give you an idea, one $250 Michelin star tasting menu, as Expatistan pointed out in 2023, could cover more than 20 of those budget lunches. That's an entire month of midday meals for one person. Even casual meals out need some thought. Small tapas like patatas bravas might cost $3 to $5, and a solid bocadillo sandwich runs $4 to $6. These are the building blocks for a flexible food budget, allowing it to comfortably settle around $400 monthly, even with the occasional splurge. And that daily coffee ritual? Forget housing and food for a second. Barcelona's daily essentials after those? Just about $350 a month, according to Numbeo's 2023 figures. Getting around is a steal. The T-Casual Metro Pass, good for 10 trips, is only $12 USD. But for true city explorers, a monthly T-Usual Pass offers unlimited travel across all zones for a mere $20. And keeping fit won't break the bank either. Gym memberships usually run around $50 a month, often with pool access. Seriously, that's less than one premium streaming subscription in a lot of places. Want to catch a movie? Cinema tickets are about $10 to $12, about what you'd pay for a single craft cocktail in some cities. Barcelona's culture is also surprisingly accessible. Free museum days let you save money for paid attractions like Park Güell's $10 entry. Socializing at local bars or casual eateries might add $20 to $40 weekly, which is nothing compared to the price of nightlife elsewhere. And while Spain has great public health care, many expats tack on $50 to $100 a month for private insurance, just for extra peace of mind. Even essential mobile data plans offering 20 to 30 gigabytes are only $15 to $20 from local providers. Split apartment utilities, electricity, water, internet usually come in at $50 to $70 per person depending on how much you use. Pretty wild, right? Then there are the miscellaneous daily expenses, from toiletries to those small impulse buys, realistically adding another $50 to $100. So when you add up transport, gym, entertainment, and incidentals, you're looking at a total lifestyle cost of roughly about $350 each month. Living on $2,000 a month in Barcelona, our data shows a tricky affordability score of just 2.5 out of 5 for one person. So, who actually pulls this off? Usually, it's students cramming into shared apartments, or those extreme minimalists who cook every single meal and skip all the tourist traps. With average rents eating up 45% to 65% of that $2,000, you're left with barely anything for actual living expenses. It's a survival game, really. That Instagram fantasy of endless sun and sangria hits a wall against the grim reality. Just $600 to $800 left for everything else after rent. It's a tough scene. Barcelona, a global hotspot drawing 32 million tourists yearly, sees its popularity inflate prices everywhere, hitting local budgets hard, especially housing. Sure, a menu del dia might be $15, but one fancy cocktail in a trendy bar can easily cost $12, wiping out half your grocery budget for the day. Public transport is pretty decent at $12 for 10 trips. But if you're commuting full-time, you'll need 2 or 3 passes monthly. That's another $24 to $36 gone. This constant influx of visitors really strains resources. That tight $2,000 budget offers zero buffer for unexpected costs, or just enjoying a spontaneous cultural event. Every euro has its marching orders. The idea of Barcelona being cheap often comes from old data, or a tourist's perspective, not the daily grind of residents. Rents have skyrocketed by 40% since 2013, pushing formerly affordable areas out of reach. In fact, a recent expat survey found only 35% felt they could live comfortably, pointing to widespread financial stress.